In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an attachment from an issue on a Jira backlog in just a few simple steps. This process is straightforward and easy to follow, ensuring you can manage your backlog effectively without unnecessary clutter or outdated files. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the specific project you're working with in Jira. This is your starting point, as the backlog and issues you'll be managing are specific to individual projects. Once you've found your project, look at the top navigation panel of your Jira dashboard and click on Backlog. This action will take you straight to the list of issues waiting to be addressed or in progress. Next, you need to locate the specific Jira issue where the attachment you want to delete is located. Open this issue and you'll be able to view all the details associated with it, including any files or attachments. Once the issue is open, scan through the details until you find the attachment you're looking to remove. This part may require a bit of scrolling, especially if the issue is packed with additional information or multiple attachments. After identifying the attachment, the next step is to hover over it with your cursor. As you do this, you'll notice three little dots appear next to the attachment. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu offering you several options, one of which is to delete the attachment. Select the delete option and you'll remove the attachment from the issue. It's important to note that this action will only work if the attachment was directly uploaded to the issue. However, if the attachment was added via a comment or a field, the process changes slightly. In this case, you can't remove it using the attachment panel. Instead, you'll need to find the specific comment or field where the attachment resides. Once you've located it, simply delete the entire comment or field entry. Doing so removes the attachment from the issue entirely. This is a crucial distinction because the attachment source changes how it must be deleted. Removing comments might sometimes be necessary if the context of the attachment is no longer relevant or if it was added by mistake. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Jira backlogs and keep your issues tidy and up to date. Remember, a well-managed project is key to smooth operation and effective collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Happy organizing!